I'm just in the American Airlines Flagship Lounge first thing this morning. As you can see, it is a spectacular day for flying down to Miami, and I'm really looking forward to this flight. The 767 is one of the aircraft that I first flew on as a child, and I remember it fondly, and I miss it from the British Airways fleet, if I'm being honest. So I've got my breakfast. The staff here have been very welcoming indeed, and even one of the lounge assistants offered to clean my chair before I sat down. So you can't beat service like that really these days. A few more of these beers and it's time to have a look around. There's certainly plenty of self-service alcohol to go around. And there's even this make your own Bloody Mary kit. Don't do it, Neil. Don't do it. Oh, and plenty of food, plus soft drinks, if that's your thing. Plus flagship dining if you're in American International First. A very quiet lounge means plenty of seats available today. But now let's go and check out our ride to Miami. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen, the mighty Boeing 767. Main cabin extra, of course, has lots of legroom in this small mini cabin. As we climb out of New York, I investigate today's entertainment options. American 767s don't have seatback screens. Instead, they offer free TV and movies to your personal device. A handy tip: download the American app before boarding. You won't be able to get it in the air. I found everything to work super fast on my iPad, and I really liked the choice. Light refreshments are included in main cabin extra. But then I'm brought a warm cookie, nuts and another drink by the first class host. The seat recline is good, as is this cookie. Sadly, this relatively short 2 hour and 30-minute flight is coming to an end as we see the Miami coastline come into view. So I invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the landing. Welcome to Miami, ladies and gents, where it's 26 degrees in February. And here I am, in my rather unusual hotel room. I have to say, it's not the best Hilton I've ever stayed at, but it'll do for a night. So, what did I like about the American Airlines flight, the 767 down from New York today? Well, pretty much everything, really. Clearly the old girl's, she's getting on now. Today's example was, I think, 16 years old, but that said, I was very impressed with main cabin extra because on that particular aircraft there were only 2 rows of seats, so it has a very intimate, very, very personal style to it. So about halfway through the flight attendant from the first class cabin came to me and said, "Mr. Smith, welcome back on board. Can I get you anything from first class?" And this service wasn't offered to anybody else in main cabin extra. So I assume that's because of the One World status. She had a little iPad with her, the smartphone, and so I'm guessing that's the reason. But I was just surprised, if that is the case, that I was the only person with status in main cabin extra, because whilst yes, you can pay for it, really, I think it was $60 on this route. It may not have been necessary to pay that, so I thought others would have got the same courtesy. But other than that, there was no other reason why she did that. So she brought me some warm nuts, she brought me an additional drink, and she brought me some a warm cookie as well, but to nobody else. And the seat to the left of me was blocked off as well, despite the aircraft being full in the other seats. So I don't know, you tell me, maybe One World have started doing the same things as BA with the status, I'm not sure. Obviously I like the 767, nice aircraft to fly, quite rare for me now that BA don't have any anymore. And the flight attendants were very friendly and very receptive, and I also particularly like the Flagship Lounge back up at JFK, which you can access these days with silver or gold membership of BA or the equivalent One World status, Sapphire and Emerald. And overall, very pleased, very happy, yes. So thanks for following me on this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found the insight into main cabin extra useful, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.